Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to view your Empower virtual card number in 2025. If you're using Empower for your financial needs, knowing how to access your virtual card number is essential for secure online shopping, subscriptions, or transfers. This feature has been updated for 2025 with better security and user-friendly interfaces, so let's get straight to it. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Empower app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Head over to your App Store, search for Empower, and update if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll get a prompt. Go ahead and verify that for extra security. Now, let's navigate to the card section. From the home screen, tap on the Cards or Wallet icon, usually found at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a list of your cards. Select your virtual card from there. Next, look for the View Card Details button. It's often represented by an eye icon or a three-dot menu. Tap that, and Empower will display your virtual card number on screen. Remember, for privacy, this might be blurred or require a PIN or biometric verification first, like a fingerprint or Face ID. Pro tip: if you're on a shared device, always log out after viewing sensitive info to protect your data. Also, in 2025, Empower has added a feature to temporarily generate a one-time card number for added safety. Check the settings if you need that. And there you have it. You've successfully viewed your Empower virtual card number. This process is straightforward and keeps your finances secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.